Hello friends, my name is Vishal and now today we are going to talk about how to connect the putty, how to connect the winscp and how to connect the VNC server to the virtual machine. So putty is a terminal emulator to perform all the command line operation in command line basis, not in GUI mode, in command line basis. It is perform all the activity like as a Linux prompt or Linux terminal. So how to connect to putty? First we can download the putty from the particular website. It is the website www.putty.org. In that site you can download the putty. See here, this is the option, download the putty. Is telnet client developed the originality by the Siemens and Tatham to the Windows platform. It is a .exe file. So click here, then putty original page will be display. Then you can choose putty.exe is different of the, you can choose 86 or 64 version. You can download from this website. Now I am download the putty.exe. So see here, my putty.exe is downloaded. Understand? Now how to configure the putty configuration and how to access the virtual machine. Now my virtual machine is ready to perform the operation. What is the my virtual machine is? Here, this is the my virtual machine. It's some different location or different network. Now how to connect the putty to the virtual machine? Now and open the terminal, go to the root user. See, this is the my root user and I am perform IP config parameter, IP config command. I have config command. So see here, it is shows all the configuration of Ethernet connections. See, ETH1 and ETH2. Now ETH1 my IP address is 100.21 and what is the subnet mask? This is the subnet mask. So now I am copy this address, this IP address, ETH0 IP address. So I am copy this IP address. See, because of, I am show you another session. See here, this is the network network configuration assistance. So what is the domain? Is 11.2 192.168.111.2. this is. So in that case I am use this IP address 192.168.128. this is the, and use this. Now I am copying this IP address and go to the location of putty. I am run this putty. So what is the session? What is the my IP address? See, I am type here. What is the default port? It's 22. And what is the name of session? I am given name is demo. This is the my session name. Now I am some configure some color, use the system color. So all these options will be, you can configure in the putty session. Now I am save this file. So I am run the demo using the double click or using the, so first time, what is the my username? Root. What is the password? Vishal. So this is the my password. So now I am previously used the putty, that's why it's not asking any configuration key to the SSH and DS, RSA and DSA. Some these user equivalence, that's mandatory to give the one-time configuration keys to the virtual machine. So now my putty is working. Now you can perform all the operation. See, I am connected to the user. What is the user? Oracle. I am connected to the user Oracle. See, so I am a root user. Now this is the my I am connected to user. So I am connected to how to connect the database. Now connected to the database using the SQL plus /sysdb. So now you can perform all the operations of the database as well as Linux bound, like a Unix terminal. This is the basics. Now we can go to the next one is winscp. winscp is a tool, it's a software to copy data from Windows machine to the virtual machine in some other location or in VMware. It's copy the data from one to another. Previously we can copy this IP address. This IP address also I am used for the winscp. Now how to get a winscp? Now go to the store, to the winscp.net particular website, and you can download the installation package. See, this is the window. Now you can download, click here, installation package. My winscp will be downloaded. See here, my winscp, it is downloaded. So already I am winscp configure. You can install the, extract the exe file and install the winscp. Now I have a winscp. So this is the interface of winscp. So I am get a new. What is the session? New. You can paste here what is the IP address of your virtual machine. In real time use IP addresses of the virtual machine. You don't care about that. So now you can get IP address. In previously I was told you how to get IP address. So what is the file protocol? This is the file protocol, SCPI file transfer protocol. This is the, what is the, by default port is 22. What is the username? I am always login with root user. Password, what is the password? My password is that. So I am save this session. What I am give the name? It is a demo, and I am save the password. If you don't save the password, it ask each and every time. So that's why I am not save the I am save the password. That's why I am save the password. I am save the password. I am so connect to the, click to the login button and select this session. So I am select the demo and login. So this is the interface. Now you can see the interface. In the left side, it is the all files of your data, all the Windows files. See all these files. This is the files. Okay, and the right side, all these files of the remote virtual machines. So see, what is the user? Root user. Now I am go to the specific directory. So what is the /home/oracle? So it is goes to the Oracle. See what is, so I am created here mkdir, go to the desktop, yes, mkdir vv. See, here folder is created. See, this is my folder. Now it's updated on the winscp. Go to the desktop, this vv is created. Understand? Another one, and create another table, mkdir db is created. So now it is updated on the yes, and refresh this. Go to the root and then correct. And reconnect to the winscp. Now /home/oracle get vv folder. So in that way we can synchronize the. So now and copy the folder and copy the particular file. See, and copy this file to the only drag and drop option, only in the using the winscp only I am drag and drop. See, it's asked every time. See, copy, check on the Linux machine. See, this file is imported. So in that so I am also use copy the file, copy there here and Control V. See here, file is imported. This is the configuration of winscp, how to get a file from virtual machine to the your physical machine. Now we are going to talk about how to configure the real VNC. Now you can go to the store of real VNC, and what is the website? www.realvnc.com, and download VNC. Now this is the operating systems. Now I am used Windows 7. So now I am download the Windows, click to window and download the, click to the download. See, my VNC is downloaded. So I am already installed the VNC, that's why I am not reinstall the VNC and give scenarios how to configure the VNC. What is the look like a VNC? See, VNC, this is the VNC server. So this is the first interface of VNC server. Now we can use VNC client, VNC viewer. We can use VNC viewer. This is the interface of VNC viewer. What is the, we can use the IP address, previously IP address for the this session. In that case, how to configure the VNC? Now let's go to the how to configure the VNC. First we check the RPM. How to check? This command. I am use this command. Now I'm login to root user. We can check the mandatory package of the VNC. What is the package? VNC-4.1, and second package is VNC server. This is the package is mandatory to perform the VNC operation. Now what is the next step? You can set the pass, you can edit the VNC server parameter file. So where it is located? In /etc sysconsp. Where? you can go there. What is the look? Sorry. See, what is the location? /etc sysconfig, and there it is a VNC server file is there. So where it is? See, VNC server file is there. So I can edit VNC server parameter file. So defaultly this entry is there, all this entry is there. You can only remove the hash. See, only I am remove the hash, and VNC, what is the session? 1, I am type 2, and what is the username? Oracle. And VNC servers, what is the VNC server? I am type give the integer value. And what is the my display? It is 800 into 800 by 600. This is the my display. So this is, you can set these lines in the VNC server files. So I am save it. I am save this file. Now I am go to start the VNC server. Understand? I am go to the start the VNC server. How to start? It is the command service VNC server start. See, I am stop. I am restart, because of I am already running the VNC, that's why I am restart. See what happened? Previously we can see what is the server is 2, and what is the username is Oracle. So what is the desktop? My machine name is DB and is used to desktop 2. So now it means only we can use only one value in this VNC server file. In that time it's give the interface like Linux prompt. It's read like that. It's give the interface like that. So now I am not use this. Now I am use second desktop. Understand? And what is the log file of that? This is the log file. I will view this log file. See, this is the log file. VNC extension is listening for the VNC connecting on port. What is the port number? 5902. This is the default port. What is the HTTP port? 5802. Understand? It's support. So now, and which file is used? X startup, its file it is used at this file. So see all these contents. So now I am configure the VNC password. So see, sorry, VNC passwd. See, my password is Vishal. Sorry. So now I am connect to the VNC. This is the my VNC session. Now what is the my IP address? What is my IP address? What is the my IP address? 192.168.111. So I will use this. So see here, I am set a password in root user, but previously we configure the VNC in the Oracle user in the /etc sysconfig/VNC server file. So in that case it is not due to permission to access the file. I am already set the VNC password to the Oracle, so please give that like interface. I will show you again. See, what is the error? The connection was refused by the host computer. It is not get, because what is the IP address? IP address is same, but we don't configure the desktop 1. We configure the desktop 2. See, and we can set the password to the Oracle su-oracle without setting the password. See, VNC WD. Without password it is not used to permission to set the VNC session. So now what is the my IP address? This is the my IP address, but I am edit /etc sysconfig VNC I am configure the Oracle, so that's why I am configure the second desktop with the user is Oracle, so it is due to the interface of the VNC. Now check, be sure this is the VNC interface. What is the desktop size? 800 into 600. So now you can perform all the operations. See, ls, all these operations you can perform like a putty and like a, but it is interface is different, but you can perform all the commands. It is VNC used for the GUI. Understand? So what is, I am login to the root user because I show you the some GUI mode. So I am type a neat command and see my network configuration assistance will be started. So I am used all this performance. So you can use this file, then you can quit, then and exit from here and run the DBCA. See, my DBCA is running on the GUI mode. In putty session we cannot perform the GUI mode. So let's check DBCA. We cannot run this. Display parameter is not set and putty is not supported to doing this operation. So in that cases we can use the VNC. See, what is the VNC? And close this VNC. What is, now I am started the VNC. See, what is the password? It can be started in the previous point. So this is the advantage of VNC. It store all the logs in the log file of the VNC, which is located in the .vnc in the desktop in Oracle home directory. So this is how to close. Cancel. Yes. Do not exit from here. Understand? Remember that you don't exit from here. Understand? You can close from here. Now this is the 3 types of tool to interface and give the better interface to accessing the virtual machine. Putty, winscp and VNC server to connect to the virtual machine. Putty gives the terminal interface. winscp is copy the file from Windows machine to the virtual machine from the Linux to the Linux. And third one is VNC. And some other software is there. It is mputty. mputty, what is the mputty? mputty is you can set the multiple sessions of the putty in one. You can download ttyplus.com. You can download the mputty. Understand? You can download that. See, my internet is disconnect, so you can download using the click here. Now I am already installed the mputty. Where is an mputty? This is the interface of the mputty. So you must be specify the putty location. Without specifying the putty location, it is not working. You can specify the putty exe location. How to? Go to the tools, putty location. You can specify the particular putty location. Now how many sessions is there? So see here, demo is there. So I am logging to the root. What is the IP address? And create a new session, add a server. See, first I am set a password. I am add a new server. See, what is the IP address? 192.168.11.128. So what is the mode? SSH. What is the port? 22. What is the display name? Demo_21 demo. What is the username? My username is root. And what is the password? Password. I am save this password every time. It is not required the password to the login to putty and virtual machine. It is not required the password in that way. You can you can set demo1 and run this demo1. Is directly log into the root. See here, directly log into the root. See, log into the root. See, what is the machine? It's DB. Now what is the machine? Is DB. See, you can run the multiple sessions on the one program. This is the advantages of mputty, and you can set the password on this setting, but you cannot set a password in the putty. You can set the password in the mputty. It is the better advantages of mputty, and you can run the multiple sessions and multiple servers at a one program. It is the advantages of mputty. So you can minimize this, and how many options is there. So you can check and do the practice on the mputty as well as putty using the VNC as well as winscp. So it is better to give the interface to the accessing the virtual machine in real time as well as and your practice mode. It is a better use the interface. So now thank you for watching my videos and subscribe me in Vishal Bandwalkar. My name is Vishal Bandwalkar. You can subscribe this on YouTube. Thank you and have a nice day.